Dave and Ray's projects around. So the project at hand today is we're going to take this pipe and this drain line, and we're going to send it through the wall and hook it up into this where it actually should be instead of the floor drain. And Dave is going to walk you through that, so stay tuned.
So as Ray was saying, the project today is we're going to tap into this and put the kitchen sink into it. Let's just walk you through the history of what's been going on with this problem. So years ago, the kitchen sink drained from here to there, and then it drained through the floor to that. There's a floor drain underneath there that would clog up. And what was happening is everything was clogging up because the pipe in the ground is undersized. We have since discovered that the pipe in the ground, right about here, has partially collapsed, and we've opened it back up with a power auger twice. However, with the food particles going down there, it continues to clog. It's not bad when just the furnace condensation pump dumps into this sink, or when the washing machine dumps into that drain. But what's happening is it's clogging farther on down the line. You can see that it's actually backing up. That's what that stain is right there. That's food, and so when the dishwasher dumps and the washing machine dump at the same time, the drain can't handle it, and it's actually filling up this sink. So today we want to eliminate that problem. We're going to go ahead and tap into this line, and then we'll show you later. We're going to the line that goes through the ground all the way over to this drain over here, which you can see is full of water and has backed up. We're going to run a power auger down that and clean that as well. That was the laundry chute. All right, that gives us some more room. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start. There you go, guys. See now, can't you? All right. If you've noticed, I already pre-marked this yesterday. This is where the pipe's going to come through. So we're going to take a hammer drill, and we're going to drill multiple holes around here, and then we'll take a chisel bit and finish punching through. Now this is a little loud and a little dusty, so we'll just show you little clips of it, and then we'll bring you back when we're all done with it. Stick an old piece of rag down here to keep the sewer gases from coming back up until we glue the cap on. Okay, what Ray did is he put a 2x4 in here on a bottle jack down below. We jacked it up just a tiny bit to take the pressure and put the weight on here and take it off of this support. So we just temporarily undid that. What we're going to do is I'm going to cut the pipe here and here, remove this section. This Y fitting will go in here. We're going to dry fit it for right now until we get our angle the way we want. And then once we do that, we'll go ahead and glue everything up. All right, now hold this so I can cut this next piece. You just want to clean these burrs off. All right, we have to jack that up a little bit, right? Just a tiny bit. A little bit more. Good, that's good. A little more. All right, and go ahead and set her down just a little bit. Slowly. Okay. That'll be good. We'll just leave it right there because that's a dry fit for right now. All right. And then we're going to kind of 45 it towards that pipe. Okay. All right, let's give her a try, right? Got it? You like it? That pitch is perfect. Might be a little much, but that actually needs to be shortened just a smidge. All right, let's give it a whack now. Go ahead and push it. The whole thing. There you go. How's that pipe look now? That one there. Yep, that's beautiful. All right, so everything's dry fit. So now what we're going to do, my brother-in-law showed me, who's a plumber, showed me you just mark with a grease pencil or a permanent marker where you want everything to line up. I guess these don't really matter right here, but okay. The long pipe really doesn't matter. It's these joints here where you want it turned the right way. You got to make sure that those are done right. All right, so now we can clean this up. All right, go ahead. You see the lines?
Yeah, hold it. Yes, there we go.
There, the lines, line them up.
Just
All right, I'm gonna push towards you.
Yep.
Get the lines where you want them. Good?
Yep.
All right. So before we take the weight off this, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this section up here. Now, it says purple cleaner. Why purple? Why not just clear? Because you can get it in clear. The purple primer or cleaner the reason that it's purple is that building inspectors can make sure that the plumbers clean the pipe and put primer on it. And it's just a dye to make sure that the plumber's doing it the right way. Or, and most, you hire a professional plumber, you're not gonna have a problem. Okay, those guys are gonna do it the right way, or they should be doing it the right way. But it's more for the do-it-yourself kind of guy, like myself, that they can ensure that the guy that's doing it himself has properly you just squeeze it together just for a second, turn it where you want, and it'll hold. All right, and we'll glue this up. And glue here. Yep. Clean this. All right, this will be one of our final fittings right here, okay? So, Ray, let's take the pressure off that, get this all cleaned up. All right, let's go ahead and let this one down. And the final fitting. And we just hold that for a second until that bonds. All right, so there it is, all done. Now, Ray told me if I had never said anything about the drips over here from his angle, you guys would never have seen it. Yeah, that was my drips. That's ugly. That should have never happened. However, there's the project. It's all done. We took it out of the floor drain and put it into the main drain in the house. Now, the cost for this was $45 worth of material. All right. I own the Sawzall. Yeah, I borrowed that. That's the hammer drill from a friend. Now, if you don't have the tools for that, you want to do this project yourself, and you need to cut through the concrete like we did. Okay. I checked out the rental price on this. It was like $35 for 4 hours use, or $55 for all day use on that item. If you want to buy it brand new, they were in anywhere from $200 to $800 depending on the model, the amperage, the size, all of it. But that's just a hammer drill that also has a hammer function on it, so you can put different bits on it to actually use it to jack through items. So altogether, all we did was cap that off. We're going to keep that. That'll be a clean out from now on. And the pipe now turns and goes through the wall and out the main stack. So we thank you guys for joining us. As always, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you the next time.